Ukrainian President Zelensky requested Washington to provide more military equipment and assistance as his troops need weapons to defend and prepare for another Russian aggression expected in late summer. Transfer of weapons to Kyiv. Last week, a significant transfer of weaponry occurred, including 5,000 AK-47 machine guns, sniper rifles, and RPG-7, along with over 500,000 rounds of 7.62mm ammunition destined for Kyiv. This development is crucial given the ongoing conflict between Ukraine and Russia. Shortages of ammunition in Ukraine. Ukraine is currently facing ammunition shortages due to political infighting in the U.S. Congress, which has stalled the release of over $60 billion in U.S. aid. The lack of sufficient ammunition poses a serious challenge for Kyiv's troops. Russian forces' superiority and attacks on infrastructure. Russian forces have outgunned Ukrainian troops in some instances, leading to territorial retreats by Kyiv's forces. Moscow has escalated its attacks on Ukraine's energy infrastructure, including missile and drone strikes. Kyiv's air defense capabilities are also running low, further exacerbating the situation. Seizure of weapons intended for Houthi militants. Central Command and Naval Forces intercepted weapons and ammunition intended for Houthi militants in Yemen. The seized material is substantial enough to equip an entire Ukrainian brigade with small arms rifles. Ukrainian president's plea for military assistance. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has urgently requested additional military assistance from the U.S. The aim is to bolster Ukraine's defenses and prepare for an anticipated Russian offensive expected in late May or June. These developments underscore the gravity of the conflict and the critical need for international support to ensure Ukraine's security and stability. David Cameron visited America and met former President Trump to negotiate his $60 billion Ukrainian weapons supply plan, initiated by the UK and EU. CENTCOM and naval forces claim the seizure of a stash of Iranian sent weapons to Yemeni HOUTHIS, which is now being directed to Ukraine. As they said,